Hi everybody! Today I will be sharing with you another recipe. This sauce recipe is just so simple and easy to make. This is ideal for chicken fillet or fish fillet, or you can even use this as a salad dressing. And for this sauce recipe, we will only need minced garlic, olive oil, all-purpose cream, sugar, parsley, salt and pepper. I am using ground white pepper, but you can also use ground black pepper, and mayonnaise. There you have it, guys, Mayo-Garlic sauce. This sauce is ideal for fish fillet or chicken fillet, or you can also use this as a salad dressing. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for joining me today, and thank you for considering subscribing to my channel. Have a nice day, everybody!